Let's dive into this video. Very excited about the information that we're going to be sharing here with you guys. It's very futuristic and it will bring you into perspective as to how the new world is shaping up. Now, the big question is where you want to be. Do you want to be on the side of gold or do you want to be on the side of Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies? And so we're going to be deciding which way we're going, how all of this relate to artificial intelligence. So let's get into it and take a deep look at gold and Bitcoin and also look at how it relates to artificial intelligence moving forward. First of all, in comparing these two, I would look at the value stability. And the value stability in terms of gold has a long history as a stable store of value, with prices that fluctuate less dramatically over time. On the other hand, Bitcoin is known for its price volatility with potential for high returns, but also significant risk. In terms of gold supply, is finite, but new gold can still be mined and added to the total supply, while Bitcoin has a capped supply of 21 million coins with no possibility of increase beyond this limit. Very significant that we bear 21 million in our mine. Very limited supply of Bitcoin exists. In terms of investment accessibility, gold can be invested through physical gold, gold stocks, mutual funds, or ETFs, while Bitcoin can be accessed through cryptocurrency exchanges and can be stored in digital wallets or even in private keys. In terms of very importantly to note is that in recent times or in recent months, the Securities and Exchange Commission has approved over 10 electronic traded funds in Bitcoin. And so individuals and company can use these vehicles to invest in Bitcoins. You don't have to actually own the coins, but you can use these derivative to get the benefit of the movement in Bitcoin. In summary, gold is widely recognized as a stable store of value. It is seen as a safe haven asset, especially in times of economic uncertainty, because it tends to retain or even increase in value against paper asset. And I point that out, mainly paper asset, and we'll see the difference later on. Gold is also used for wealth preservation. It acts as a safe haven, especially in times of crisis, world crisis, or crisis pertaining to some countries in particular. And finally, gold is used as a country's reserve in their balance sheet. Hence, it has a positive impact on countries' exchange rate. As we are about to wrap up this video presentation, I like to make it short and simple and so that you enjoy it and you don't have to spend a lot of time digesting information. I would like to thank you for your support over the last month or so. We got a lot of reviews and a lot of subscription. Thank you so much. Continue to like and subscribe. So as we wrap this up, we're seeing that there's a new trend developing between cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and artificial intelligence. And this is merging into one new developing trend. And as time unfolds, we will see this merger at our doorsteps, at the bus station, in convenience store, and other places that we're familiar with. In regards to data management and artificial intelligence, cryptocurrencies in the form of Bitcoin blockchain technology can provide a secure and decentralized way to manage and share this data across different platforms, fostering collaboration in AI research and development. As it relates to smart contracts, the efficiency of blockchain transaction is already evident in a typical transaction valuing over $1 billion dollars between two Bitcoin wallets settled in under 1 hour with a fee of only $700. What this is saying to us is that with Bitcoin, we can settle large transaction at a faster speed and it costs far less than in previous days. Also, one of the core principles of Bitcoin is that it's decentralized in nature, meaning it's not controlled by any government or central bank. Think about that. Most countries, their currencies are controlled by their central bank or their Federal Reserve or whoever it may be. Bitcoin is not controlled. It also allows for transparency of transaction, meaning that everything is revealed on a public ledger known as a blockchain, ensuring transparency. And Bitcoin is increasingly being used as a store of value akin to digital gold due to its limited supply and deflationary nature. Let's wrap it up now and see what Anthony has to say. Please like and subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Thank you so much.
Where do you put it? You can put it in the stock market, you can put it in Bitcoin. But again, if you go and you look over a long period of time, what is beating inflation? Gold is a great example. Over the last 5 years, if you've held gold, you've actually lost purchasing power in real terms. Right. And so naturally, Bitcoin ends up being one of the only solutions that people are picking.
All right, Anthony, thanks.